Hi, everybody, and welcome to True Wants. So here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now, if you were like me and you were a little curious of what could possibly be inside these new Valentine's Day bags and boxes, I am very lucky to be able to share with you a find where we have somebody that posted on another platform what was inside the bags, both of them. So as you know, I shared with you when we do these type of spoilers, we only know what the two brands are going to be. So if those two brands are still the brands that are currently available, which I think they are, on IPSY's website, the odds are in your favor that now you will know what is inside these bags. And as I share with you all the time, these mystery bags, where they get us is the actual bags, which are stunning. So if you like at least those two brand names, the gamble is good. But I always say to you, a lot of times it's products that we have seen in the past. This time around, for me personally, there were a couple that of products that I've seen revealed, but they're not ones that I currently own. So this is something that if you're interested in, keep watching. But that is what I do here. I take the time to learn a little bit more about the brands, the products, the deals, and of course those spoilers on the subscription boxes that we enjoy, so that when it comes time for choice day, because I have two paid for accounts, and one of my a couple of my boxes are expected to arrive, I think, before the weekend. So I'm very excited about that. And then I'll make sure to unbox those and share those with you. But the spoilers are always what I love to do because I am a paying customer like you. And if we can get a little bit of inside information somehow, I love to be able to find it not only for myself, but to share it with you guys as well. So if all of that sounds great to you, I hope you'll be part of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing. It is free and it is easy. You press that subscribe button that you see right underneath this video and you are in. It really is that simple. But now you'll also have access to my community tab, which means you will now be able to know when I upload a video, because with YouTube, those notifications don't always come through. So I've taken it into my own hands to make sure that if you are subscribed to this channel, which is free and easy, remember, just hit that subscribe button underneath, you will then get a notification in the community tab when I have a brand new video. All right? Don't forget, if you enjoy this type of content, or you, as soon as you arrive, if you are a True Wants person that always watches my videos, first of all, thank you. But when you arrive, try to hit that thumbs up as soon as you come in, so it pushes that algorithm a little bit quicker. And if you want this video to get out to others a little bit faster, then if you have access to that hype button and you use it, thank you. Just share with us in the comments that you did. So make sure to share in the comments also if these bags also really caught your attention, or they always catch your attention like they do me, but you've kind of hold off because you don't like mystery bags, or you like watching the unboxings of mystery bags that other channels invest in. All right, so we'll take a second here where I'm going to pause so I can get those pictures up that were sent to me. I am so excited to be able to share this with you guys. So give me 1 sec and I'll be right back. Now, just a reminder, if you ever want to share information with me, you can always reach out to me on my Instagram. My name there is TrueWants with the number 2. And if you don't have access to Instagram, but you want to email me pictures or tell me something in private, then that is the best way, is through my email. Also is info@truewants.com. So thank you to all of our Tinkerbells that send us information so that we're able to take the time and share it with each other. But really what this channel is all about is sharing information. It's entertainment purposes only, but this is always something that I'm always curious what is inside the mystery bags. And I used to, when this channel first started, I was getting them all the time. But I found with my paid for accounts, and because I have 2 of them and I do all those add-ons and I shop in the shop, I find that the mystery bags, and now I have way more cosmetic bags than I ever could need. That is usually what grabs me, but I'm always so curious what is going to be inside of them. I love every little detail about these bags. I love the crocodile or the animal type of skin type of, for the large one with the little locket and the little cherries on the bow on the end there. For the smaller one, I think they did a great job. And these Merlot colors get me every time. So the bags alone, I think, are absolutely stunning. But we do have somebody that did post, and then it was shared with me, the products that are inside. So here is the image. What they didn't do with this is nobody opened it up completely. So I'm assuming this here is probably just going to be all lined, probably in red. It's going to be one of those linings. So we don't know if on the top it has the places where you would put brushes or things like that, or an extra zipper inside. We do not know. But this is the information that I have. So this is the information that I'm going to share. So that is the outside of the larger bag. It is large and it is stunning. The next picture that I have is this here, which is the items that are going to be inside. Now, I didn't get this, but we definitely spoiled this. This is from Real Her. This is You Are Brilliant. It is their Pro Blush Palette. I think it was beautiful, but I did see when this palette was part of IPSY's month. I think it was either last month or the month before. I did see one PR unboxing that they didn't swatch anything, but they were afraid that the colors in it were a little bit too deep and all of that. So if you're familiar with this palette, please take the time to share it. I will pause the video afterwards and I'll see if I can source something in between. And if I can, I'll put it up on the screen afterwards. Right next to it is a product from Formula Z. And on that one there, I think it simply says it is called the Dream Drop, the Bubble Dream Drop. So if you're familiar with that, please share it in the comments down below. And then the other item is from Farah, and that it is saying that it is something that is a creamy blush stick. Beside it from there, we have from Paradox, a thickening dry spray. It's saying it's for volume blow dry spray. So if you've tried this product, please make sure to share it down below. And then from Sonage, we have the eye peptide serum, which is a really good, expensive product as well. The only thing that I'm disappointed is they didn't open up any of the packaging, which is, to me, they're missing out on sharing really what is inside here. But if you know these products, at least now you know the products that are going to be inside this bag. Now I'm going to go to the next picture, which should be the products for the smaller bag. So give me 1 sec and let me just double check. Okay, so I was able to find an image online that shows us inside the palette. So you can see here. And I know that the few people that were concerned about this palette when they got it in PR, they felt the shades were, it really wasn't a blush type of palette. They also were concerned that some of them looked like they had satin shimmer in them, and then a couple of them were mattes. But the one person that I saw who got this then didn't open it up or swatch it. So that's my pet peeve with people who get PR. If they don't swatch, we don't know. So that is the product that you can see inside. Now let's go to that other image, which is of the smaller bag. Give me 1 sec and I'll be right back. Okay, and here is the image of the smaller bag. We have from Gloss Modern, that is going to be, it says it's a clean luxury eye product. Right next to it, we have from Dionys, which is a phenomenal brand. That is a goat milk. That is going to be a hand cream. And that one is going to be in the scent that is called Blood Orange. Then we have on the bottom a product from Estate that looks like a highlighter, and right next to it is actually from Ditto. I'm currently using that right now, and I will pause the video so I can bring it out here to show you. I'm currently using this every night and I'm really enjoying it. It's called the Lip Nourish. And then the other product that is on the other side of Dionys, that I think is from the brand that is Mo Beauty, because those two brands that they promised inside this bag is the one from Gloss Modern and Mo Beauty. So those two products 100% are what the ones that were the foundation of the bag. Now give me 1 sec. I'm going to get up. I'm going to go run and get that Ditto lip product so you can see inside. It is really, really beautiful. So give me 1 sec and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the product, and that is the size of it. And then when you open it up, that is the gorgeous product. You can see I'm using it all the time inside, and I'm using this at nighttime. It is really, really beautiful. And as you know, we swatch on this channel, but it has a beautiful glow to it. You can wear this during the day. You can wear this as a lip mask at night. That's what I've been doing, and I'm really, really enjoying it. And as I've been sharing with you, my lips have definitely changed because of this product. I was trying so many different products and scrubs. I was going through a really hard time because here in Florida, the weather is so cold for Florida, and the way the heat works here, even in our home, it's so different than the heat that I used to have up north. But I don't remember really putting the heat on for literally 2 weeks at a time. So this is one that I'm really enjoying, and it really has helped correct my lips. So if you're getting this, this is a product you're going to absolutely love. And if you don't have this, and you definitely check out the shop in the next sale that's going on. And if you see this, the brand is called Ditto, and this is the Lip Nourish, and there's the spelling of Ditto on there on the top. It's kind of faint on here, but it's in that little top of that lip there. But this is really, really good, and I'm really enjoying it, and I really have to commend them that I really feel this definitely was one of the products. And I have so many lip products that I was trying, and this came in the most recent box, and that's why I tried it, and I'm really, really enjoying it. As you can see, it is already almost like we've been using it for over a month. So really, really enjoying this a lot. So want to always share with you what I'm enjoying at the same time that you guys have usually access to it as well. All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So that's the look inside the IPSY mystery bags. It's the spoiler reveal. I've never done this before, but I just couldn't resist sharing this with you guys. And especially now at the beginning of the month when we've had some fantastic spoilers already for the Beauty Boost, and then sharing with you some of the spoilers and the dates that we could put down for the Mega Drop Shop. And now the look inside these mystery bags, I know it's late at night, and I love how a couple of you write to me, it's like, after dark with True Wants. That's pretty much how this night's going to go. So I'm going to do my best to get this up so that you guys will have either access to it during the night or also first thing in the morning. But I wanted to share that with you because tomorrow is a new day and we never know what's going to happen. So once I have this information, you know me, as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too. And that's it for this one, guys. So please share with me if you enjoyed this type of video. If you've watched this all the way to the end, simply write look inside and I'll know that you did. And that's it for this one, guys. So don't forget, there's no membership on this channel. You all have access to the same information, but we do have a thanks button down below. So if you are inclined that you want to grab me a cup of coffee or thank me in another way besides watching in full, being subscribed to this channel, which is free, hitting that thumbs up, the hype, sharing in the comments, there's always that thanks button that is underneath every video. And it is a one-time only. It starts as low as $1.99. But it's a nice way to say thank you to a channel and gives it more dollars towards the channel that we can invest within the channel. And that's what it is for. So if you press on it, you could learn a little bit more about it. It doesn't do anything by you looking at it. You could just take a look and see what it's all about, but it's called the thanks button and it's underneath all of the videos. And that's it for this one, guys. So everybody continue to stay safe and well. I hope you have a good night, and I wouldn't have been able to sleep knowing that I had this information and I couldn't share it with you until tomorrow morning. So I had to film it. That is the way I am. I always want to make sure that we're always on the same page and that you guys have whatever I know. I want to make sure that you guys know too. And that's it for this one, guys. So continue to stay safe and well, and at this time of year warm, and I will see you all soon again in the next one. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye for now.